Welcome to the sea, kids. Let's meet our sea animal friends. Down in the sea, so blue, so fish goes swish as it swims by. Ah, hello, I'm a fish. Swish, swish. Hi, friends, I'm a starfish. Starfish waves a friendly hi. Seahorse curls its tiny tail. I'm a seahorse. I love to float. Hello, I'm a whale. Big and gentle is the whale. Shark swims by. Don't be afraid. Hi, kids. I'm a friendly shark. Click, click. I'm a crab. Turtle swims so calm and grand. Hello, I'm a turtle.
Meow.
Octopus with arms so eight.
Meow.
Jellyfish wiggles oh so great.
Meow.
In the sea, so wild and free, sea animal names Y-A-Y, we see.
Bye-bye. See you again.